What's up guys, welcome back. My name is UFO187. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to use new YouTube update, YouTube Hype. If you find this guide useful, please like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, when you open your video on YouTube mobile, just scroll here right and you will see this new icon. Just press the star and you will see YouTube Hypes. You can hype my videos to get more on rank list, to get more views on my video. If you don't see this, it's not available in all country, maybe you try enable VPN to see this new feature. How to use? You get every time 3 points and you can give them creators who make videos, like me. And you will see down give points for this video, click on it and you will see down the rank list is 100, I need more points to get more on the rank list. It's easy to use and this video is now on rank page. How to find rank page? Just scroll down, open home tab on YouTube mobile, go here on discover and you will see here hypes. Open it and you will see this rank list. Who is the first in which category. It's easy to use and it's cool for small YouTube creators to get more in trending. This is the new trending for small creators. And you can see here you hypes, go here and you will see the video that you hype. And that's it all guys for this cool new update, how to hype YouTube videos and how to use hypes. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and help me guys to hype my old videos. Bye guys.